My name is Jack Rigby. I'm the soon-to-be head of technology at CDPS, and I'm very excited to be joining. I used to work for Leeds City Council, and I used to get embedded. Well, I would embed myself, and I was embedded within different teams across the council, making sure that they were getting the most out of central IT in a way that kind of reflected their own needs and their own specialisms, but also brought them under kind of like the central IT border. So I've always been kind of like skirting that line between making sure things are standardized and centralized in their efficiencies, but also that central function reflects their specific needs. And often the problem is a problem that shouldn't really be there in the first place. A lot of the times, it's again, I'm really passionate about thinking about innovation, especially in public services, not just as applying new technologies that are new and emerging. Obviously, that's a large part of it, but designing out problems is something that's really overlooked as well. And I think something like, again, CDPS having that wider joining the dots kind of mentality is where you start to see these problems and design them out, because individually, somebody who has got a job to do is focused on what needs to happen, what needs to be done, and doesn't have really time, a lot of the time, doesn't have the kind of luxury of going, hang on a minute, who am I doing this for? What is the end-to-end journey here? So our perspective is it's a great one to have, and it shows a great commitment and an understanding of the problem to say, who can we have looking at this from a top-down perspective and designing out these problems. I think that's going to be a massive opportunity here. Not entirely sure what's on the cards, and I look forward to finding out. But I think more than anything, what I want to do is get to know people properly and get to know what makes them tick and get to know where I sit, because obviously I have an idea of what I'm expected to do. I have an idea of what I'm expecting to do, but I'm looking forward to having that challenged and changed. It's a weird thing to mentally prepare myself for, because I'm coming in with a very open mind. So what I want to have within that first 3 to 6 months is my expectations and my assumptions completely changed. That's what I want to have from that time.